Hey, so we've been trying to leave you a video for quite some time. Probably
An hour, 4 hours, 12
whatever,
hours.
whatever. Anyways, it's RG Star, our favorite. We already did a video for you for this. So I'm gonna leave you another one because we
And
love you.
If you haven't already downloaded all the songs, you should right now.
Yeah.
He's friggin' awesome.
Okay. Anyways, it's Pulled on the Moon.
Okay. This is Pulled on the Moon.
Here we go. No.
Nope.
Okay.
There you go.
You're really lucky, by the way.
Really
You're
lucky.
special.
I never leave the light on much now. I get a feeling it's maybe time for sleep. I got the cellular phone whispering I'm alone. I don't know, but baby, it knows that you're home. Now I'm not thinking enough, and I've been drinking too much. Maybe it's time I take my chances. It's been a year and I've been right here. You left me, and treat me bad, cause it's all that you're good at. And now you're sticking around cause you think that I'll hurt myself right now. And go down the road, we'll bring you back to any night with you. Turn all the lights off in the room. It's my last chance with you. You sound like a liar.
It's all that I'm good at.
But I like the smile. Let me see where it goes. And if it goes away,
She don't ever know. Hey, will you see where it goes?
treat me back. Can't believe I just said that. And I remember when we were young and my heart used to skip a beat with your hands all over me. And go down the moon. We'll bring you back to any night with you. Turn all the lights off in the room. It's my last chance with you.
Down the moon will bring me back any night with you. And pull down the moon will bring me back. Come on and bring me back, babe. Come on and bring me back, babe.
We'll bring you back to any night with you. Turn all the lights off in the room. It's my last chance with you.
So there you go. And it was really great.
I hope you loved it.
I love you. I really hope you like them because we do anyway. So okay.
Alright, bye.
Bye.